We are at Jagoteq working with lasers.
We can utilize lasers and combine that with optics and some of the technologies that we have learned throughout the years to create very unique lights.
Jagoteq lights, like LED diodes, have a lifespan of approximately 30,000 hours. What's different about this than LED and other light sources is laser light has a very narrow color spectrum, so the color is very saturated. It doesn't keep us from being able to have specific light temperatures, color temperatures that is. For example, we can have 2900, 5600 Kelvin. These will be presets in the unit. One thing to note is there is no white diode for laser.
So Jagoteq is ideal for live event, architectural, and pool and spa. We have two different units, the LF120 and the LF30. One is a much larger unit, about 4 times the power of the LF30. We have 4 different sizes or diameters of side emitting fiber. We have 12 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 1 millimeter. With the LF30, the smaller unit, you can use the 1 millimeter, the 6 millimeter.
The LF30 draws probably half an amp of power. The LF120, 2.5 to 3 amps of power, depending on how you're using. I think in situations where our 1 millimeter fiber can be fit into things, it gives the creators a new way to light things. Why? Because the fiber optic cable emits no heat, no electricity. I think with long linear light sources that don't need to be pixel, this will be a great way to light things.
We tried to make it as user-friendly as we possibly can. You have a laser engine. From there, you can attach a transfer fiber, and this is totally jacketed, so the light goes through the transfer fiber and then into an adapter, and finally into our side emitting fiber. The beauty of this is this can be up to 100 feet, 200 feet, and you're not losing any discernible light. Whether it's from the 12 millimeter all the way down to the 1 millimeter, it's totally waterproof. That's all you're getting through there is light. There's no electricity, there's no heat, it is simply light. So you can submerge it to literally any depth you want and start lighting from that point.
Depending on the fiber, we'll also have a 3R rating, which allows us to use this product in the public without a variance or permission from the city. Things like the end cap, these are all geared toward making the product safe, as well as giving the customer the max amount of use they can from the products.
Our laser engine is dimmable from 0 to 100% with absolutely no flicker whatsoever. We can do color loops, color fades. If you have a laser engine on each end of the fiber, you can do a nice blend of colors as you transmit the color from each end. With the LF120 and the LF30, we have implemented sACN and also ArtNet, along with a hardwired in and out DMX 5-pin.
We are going to make sure that people are trained, it's safe, and fun to use.